Hey, 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 it's your girl jovenalove back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back. How are you doing, my busy bees? Staying busy, I hope. Keeping it sexy, child. We try to always, and today we're opening PR packages. Yes, I'm shook. I'm trying to keep my composure. I'm so grateful to Flex Beauty Cosmetics and Megan, the owner, for allowing me to represent her company and show you guys what we create in our collab. And these are sneak peeks of what's to come next. These aren't, it's just you have to see it with me. Everything is wrapped up very tight and nicely. I just ripped open the bag. First thing I'm pulling out, pretty big, looks like a backdrop. So royal blue, oh my goodness, don't know what that's about. Next thing, ooh, look at this bag. Oh, it's so pretty. Megan, that is gorgeous. As y'all can see, it says Flex Glam Squad. And it's full to the rim of stuff. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, here's a hint. It's going to be messy. It's going to get messy. Just sent a nice washcloth. What else is in here? Let's see. And this box. So let's see what's in here. It's all wrapped up cute. I didn't want to disturb anything without showing, experiencing it with you guys first. Put my cup over here. Oh, nice. You sent me a ring light for the phone. Okay. It's telling me a lot. Oops. So there's the ring light. And it's bright and brightest. And it comes with a little charger. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm going to lay this down so that I have something down. I don't want to make any messes. Okay, so first thing I see is a pair of lashes with gold accent on them. She made these herself, you guys. So creative. I play around with them, trying to make them myself, but I never get completely through it. I really don't. So they're taped shut. That means do not open. I'm already tempted. Ooh, there's something else in here wrapped up. There's another one of these bands. Let's see. This is pipettes. Gotta keep everything in here. And then a little bag of treasure. Let's see what's going on in here. Take it really gently. Ooh. Ooh. We've got some glitter sealer. And this is her glitter sealer that you use to make any pigment into a graphic liner or line liner and waterproof. Only thing is there's gold. Ooh, we lost some of our gold. So we've got, or she put these in here. Yeah, she put them in there. She put little gold stars in there. Oh, I don't want to lose them. They're pretty. Let's take them off and save them. Definitely got to save the stars. It's a clue to what's coming next. Not just stars, but gold stars. So keep that in mind. And we've got some stardust in here. This is the gold, time gold. So it's gold, fine gold. Your girl can't see nothing. I don't know if y'all know that, but I don't. And this is a fine gold. So two fine golds. Two fine golds. That's important. Okay, and put that back in the gold bag with the glitter sealer. Okay, next out of this bag, what was wrapped with the ribbon. Ooh, 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 we've got some mango lip conditioner, and I believe the scrub. Let's make sure that they can get seen. Ooh, that's pretty. And it comes with a lip scrub. Oops, and there's more gold glitters. Okay, let's move that to the side. I don't want to lose those stars. So much in here, you guys. So much. Okay, so next we've got some cogs and these are heavy. Wow, I wonder what she wants us to do with these. Then there's this little bag. Of mixing. Oh, it's a mixing bowl. Just, it wants to focus on my face. It's a mixing bowl. So I'll put that with the gold stardust. Ooh, and we've got some stardust. We've got jade. Blue. Amber. Sunstone. Ooh, and I can't see the other two. But they're really pretty. Look at that. Got some stardust going on here. You can see the colors in the back. I believe this is the multi-chrome one at the top. Because she's shimmering. She's shimmering. I don't want to ruin any of this. Then, ooh. Oh. What is this?
Mama, you look so pretty.
Thank you, baby. Ooh, these are... Ooh, you guys, look at that. That is sexy. It's an ear cuff. Because I have pierced ears, but they're not open pierced ears. Ooh.
It looks so pretty.
Thank you. So it looks like that. So pretty. Gotta get it to go back in that bag. Let's see here. Some more things. Oh, there's two of them. So there's 2 earrings.
Whoa.
And then this looks like gold foil.
I don't know about that one.
Looks like gold sheets of foil. Yes, it is. So it's gold sheets of foil.
I never had that.
And a card. It says MUA in the back.
Maybe you should try it out.
Let's open it up.
See what's inside.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's inside. Ooh, it's our friend
What is it?
with the Star Knight.
Can I look?
Yes, it's Miss Rebel.
Oh.
Okay, let me finish recording. It's Miss Rebel's card with the black stardust on here. And I want to say it's in Star Knight. Star Knight. Yes, you guys need to stop by Flex Beauty. Check her website out. It's for all ages, but it is especially made for women who have a hard time with our creases, with sensitivity to skin, sensitivity to our eyes, men and women, you know, who wear makeup, anything that's real sensitive. Because if you read the mission statement and about the owner and how she created this makeup when she could not wear regular over-the-counter type makeup, it is so inspiring. And I'm so proud to be able to represent her. And I'm so proud of that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. You know, I appreciate it. I really, really do. If you're new here, it's your girl, Jovina. And I love everything about everything and anything in between. That includes you, my makeup, my skincare, and more. If you're into that, please join the Hive. I'll be glad to have you. And if you're not new here, I see you, sis. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.